Hey guys, today I'm making magaj. Start by adding your gram flour into a bowl, then add in the melted ghee and milk. Mix it well till it resembles fine breadcrumbs. The milk and ghee mixture is what will give the magaj its crispy bits. So if you want that to be finer, you'll need to run this mixture through a sieve. Melt the ghee in a pot on high heat, then add in the gram flour mixture. Mix everything together well and continue mixing over medium-high heat. The mixture will become loose and foamy. Continue to mix till it turns a light golden brown color. Remove it from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Then add in the ground cardamom and ground nutmeg and mix it in well. Then mix in the milk powder, and I'm using klim. Then add in the powdered sugar a little at a time, mixing well till it's fully incorporated. If it becomes a bit difficult to mix in using your spatula or spoon, you can swap it out for your hands. Just make sure the mixture is cool enough to handle. Allow the mixture to firm up slightly and press it into a tray to set, or use an ice cream scoop to scoop out little mounds. Add on a piece of slivered almonds, and they're ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!